Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video we have got something a bit different here. I've covered one of these projects before and it is called Move Earn. Move Earn is a Web3 activity app. Now you can probably see where this project is going, but before we get into it, if you could please smash a like, subscribe down below if you are new, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. Make sure to go ahead and follow me over on Twitter at JPKDeFi so you don't miss a future tweet about what I'm doing crypto and DeFi before I get to YouTube. Check out the link in the description to the premium Discord server if that's something you're interested in. With that being said, let's jump straight into the video. Guys, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your research and be very careful about where you're investing in crypto and DeFi because it's the riskiest stuff in the world. But Move Earn, so you've got the website, Twitter, Telegram, Medium, GitHub, Reddit, and YouTube. So let's take a look at the website here. Buy Move Earn on Presale. So yeah, they are currently running their Presale, which is started today at 12 p.m. UTC, so it's been out for a couple of hours now. So this is a pretty cool join the Move Earn movement. You can see this nice little graphic here: run, cycling, events, and hiking. And you've got your running, and you can see how much energy and everything there. It's a pretty in-depth app by the looks of it. Move Earn is a Web3 activity app with GameFi. Move Earn aims to bring millions of people together towards a healthier lifestyle of activities they are interested in already or already love, using Web3, audit, white paper, and staking pools, which is interesting. So we'll take a look at all of those there. Move On apps, you can run, cycle, hike, events, charity, and solo. So you can see this is a pretty cool app here. Again, we can kind of bring this up down here and have a look at that video there, which is, yeah, pretty cool stuff here. Now I think we can make this a bit bigger. Okay, we can't. But yeah, pretty awesome stuff. This looks like a pretty cool app. I do like it there. Just Move and Earn. It looks like a pretty good website. Now, one thing that does kind of shout to me is that it looks like they're spending a lot of time, probably quite a bit of money on this website, which is a good sign. Move to Earn ecosystem. Move to Earn will constantly grow to fit new features into its growing ecosystem. There's 2,300 holders, 9,200 daily users, $5.56 for the price, and a $50 million market cap. This is not launched. Okay, this is sample data there. So it's not yet launched. This is sample data. This is what I guess they'll update the stats fairly often, maybe every 24 hours, or it'll be cool if this is real time. Not sure how they'd be able to implement that though through APIs and stuff. But yeah, this would be pretty cool if this does get updated. Here's another little demonstration video here. Move to Earn, Web3 activity app. So Web3 lifestyle app with inbuilt GameFi and social-fi elements. Based on GPS tracking, device sensors, and data in the health app, your movements will be recorded and rewarded accordingly. Anti-tamper, safe on the blockchain, and data privacy. Earning is fun. Players earn by walking, running, hiking, club activities. Users will earn game currency, which can either be used in game or cashed out for profit. Please download the app, create your wallet, connect your wallet, create your account, select activity or available event, and start earning there. So sync and see your earnings, transfer your tokens or spend them. You can transfer your tokens to any compatible wallet or spend them in our merch store and buy awesome gadgets or wear, which is pretty cool stuff there. So you get is sort of different tokens for the different events, right? So you've got run here. Okay, that just gives you download content for some reason. I don't know why this is here. This shouldn't be there. But run reward tokens for running activities, cycle tokens awarded for cycling activities, and hike tokens for selected regional tours there, which is pretty cool stuff. Yeah, I do like that. That is pretty awesome. So yeah, guys, this is pretty cool. I do like this. It looks it's an interesting kind of website that looks fairly fairly in depth, right? As you can see, running cycles, just some different demonstrations of how the app will look as well inside, which is pretty cool. You got Anthony and Joe, the founders, and you've got seen on different websites here. So here is the roadmap. You can see that. Join the Earn movement, and they're also on Twitter, which we'll take a look at there. Okay, now you can see they have been audited by CoinSalt there as well. And this looks like it is the white paper, which you can look at. But it's fairly simple stuff, but I recommend reading over the white paper if you don't understand how these things work. So it looks like they also have staking pools here as well on the website, or will do when they do launch, with BNB, Cake. I'm not sure what that coin is. Not sure what this coin is. Not sure what this is, and BNB. So yeah, you've got some pretty cool tokens there to stake as well. And then over on Twitter, then they do have about 10,100 followers, which is quite a lot. You know, these guys, I've seen them around. These guys have been doing a good amount of marketing, and they've built up a good amount of following and a good amount of people in their network here on Twitter, which is good to see. On Telegram, they have about 68 subscribers there. And here is their Medium announcing the Move on Presale fair launch. And there we go. Here is their fair launch on Presale here. It looks like they've got about 1 BNB. It's not been live for very long at all. So yeah, I mean, they've got 3 days to sell this out, which I'm hoping and do think that they probably will sell out, to be honest. Yeah, which looks pretty good. But guys, that's really going to be it for the video. A nice little one here, just introducing the Move to Earn a website, which is, yeah, pretty awesome stuff. Nice little project that's releasing very soon. But yep, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Smash a like if you've enjoyed, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching, and peace.